Hey shippers, welcome back. In this video, we'll be going over the tracking dashboard on the Freightcom platform and helping you keep tabs on all your shipments. Let's get started. The tracking dashboard. First things first, you can find the tracking dashboard by clicking on the tracking dashboard option in the tracking tab on your main menu. At the top of your tracking dashboard, you'll see 6 tiles that offer an overview of all your shipments. Let's take a closer look at each. The Today's Shipment tile shows all the shipments that are scheduled to be shipped on that calendar day. Ready for Shipping shows all the shipments that are ready to be shipped out but may not have been picked up by the carrier or moved into transit just yet. In Transit shows all of your shipments that are with the carrier and in transit at the moment. Exception shows any shipments that require your immediate attention. Be sure to keep an eye on this one. Canceled shows all the shipments that have been manually canceled and shipments that have expired labels. You can filter this to list canceled shipments within the last day, 7 days, or 30 days. To view canceled shipments beyond the last 30 days, you can search using the date range filter. Lastly, Delivered shows you all of the shipments that have been recently delivered. Like the Cancel tile, you can filter this to list delivered shipments within the last day, 7 days, or 30 days. And use the date range filter to search shipments beyond the last 30 days. Now let's look at the Search Shipments section of the tracking dashboard. This function allows you to search for particular shipments easily. To really refine your search, you can click on View More Filters to add additional options. You can also remove all filters you've applied by clicking Clear Filters right next to it. Your watch list allows you to select up to 5 shipments that you'd like to pay special attention to. If you want to view your watch list directly on the tracking dashboard, just click the Watch List toggle. More options. By clicking on this ellipsis button, you can bring up a list of additional options. Label Expires Soon. This tab shows you any shipment labels that are at risk of expiring. Your shipment's labels will expire if the shipments haven't moved into transit after a period of time set by the carrier. When this happens, your shipment is canceled and you'll need to rebook. Download all documents. You have the ability to select multiple shipments and bulk download all of their related documents here. You can also use the drop-down to download only shipping labels, BOLs, or custom invoices. You can also select multiple shipments and bulk email all of their related documents right here. You can also use the drop-down to email only shipping labels, BOLs, or customs invoices. If you want to view all the details of your selected shipments, simply click View. And that's everything you need to know about the tracking dashboard. Be sure to take a look at all the videos to see other ways you can ship smarter with Freightcom. Thanks for watching this video. Happy shipping.